Good morning, students. How are you all? I know you are excited to know about your next chapter, money. In the previous classes, we have read about money. Students, you know that we use money to purchase objects of our need. Money is in the form of coins and notes. Students, in this chapter, we'll learn about unitary method and profit and loss. So, let's first learn about unitary method. What is unitary method? Let's learn this with the help of an example. This is Aman. He went to a stationery shop and bought 5 pens for rupees 75. Now, can you tell what was the cost of 3 pens? It may sound difficult to solve. But students, we can do it. How? First, we will find out the price of 1 pen. Students, as we already know, the cost of 5 pens is equal to rupees 75. Now, to find out cost of 1 pen, we will divide 75 by 5. So, the cost of 1 pen is equal to rupees 15. Now, that we know the cost of 1 pen, which is 15 rupees, we can find the cost of 3 pens. How? It should be 3 times 15, which is equal to 45 rupees. So, the cost of 3 pens is equal to 45 rupees. Now, let us see how we have solved the problem. What we do first? We first found the cost of 1 pen. Next, we found the cost of 3 pens. So, this method is called unitary method, where we find the value of 1 unit and then we find the value of required number of units. Students, let's take another example. Rahul got 8 kgs of rice for rupees 320. Now he has to find out the price of 2 kgs of rice. So what we will do here? We will again use the unitary method. First of all, we will find the price of 1 kg of rice. As we know, the cost of 8 kg of rice is rupees 320. So, the cost of 1 kg of rice would be rupees 320 divided by 8. So, 8 fours are 32 and 8 zeros are 0. So, the cost of 1 kg of rice would be rupees 40. Now that we know the cost of 1 kg of rice, which is rupees 40, we can find the cost of 2 kgs of rice, which would be 40 multiplied by 2. And what is it equal to? It is equal to 80. So, the cost of 2 kgs of rice is equal to rupees 80. So, students, we use the unitary method to find the price of 2 kgs of rice. So, remember the method in which first we find the value of 1 unit and then the value of required number of units is known as unitary method. That's all for now. In the next class, we will learn about profit and loss. Till then, bye bye. Have a good day.